Go Town. This is a start. Night racing of our spec race here on the HD0 spec track. And of course, always feel that HD resolution with zero latency. Whole shot going to go to AK FPV, one of our track designers here at the Multi-GP International Open. He made it. He made it on time. He is the designer of the All Skills track brought to us by Rec that we're going to see a little later on this week. He is the one that we are chasing, top left-hand corner of our screen, coming in hot here. We're on lap number 1, Adam Grower running number 2 spot, and it looks like Lundy, Dreamsy, West, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on to lap number 2. We're about to go on to here in just a second. All red is the Multi-GP start-finish lead. It's AK, Grower, West, Lundy, Dreamsy, and of course those are your 5 missing if we can on the takeoff block. We're chasing AK as he is in that sweeper in that back section, still with Grower. The West now still up in third, but getting closer to Grower. Going to try and slide up the number 2 spot. It's a battle for the 2 between West and Grower, and AK right now with a 2-gate lead, but not breathing room yet. We still have another lap to go. They're all running the same spec, and now it's looking like Grower making a move.
West 35.3.
It's Grower, AK West, 1, 2, and 3. Of course, the top 3 moving up. It's the top 24 of spec and a 14-race program a la usual. Just like normal, it's top 3 will advance to our winner's bracket, bottom 3 to our consolation bracket. Right now, closest to that cutoff is Dreamsy. He's about 4.6 seconds back. He's got to find West, AK, or Grower. And he's going to do it. Here comes Grower. Grower to the line with the lead of lap 3 and to the checker. AK FPV. We're off to the races right there. It's watching. It's the green LEDs. I believe that is Cali FPV, right? Cali FPV, your leader here with the home shot. He's trying to hold on the field. And oh no. Holden FPV can trying to go under the grass, trying to do a tunnel right there. Just about got taken out by Flyboy. Flyboy's just ahead of her. As we now look to your leader, that's AK FPV. Now AK dropping number 2 spot. As we push off, look like Lee Mullen now up in number 1 spot. Lee Mullen, AK, West, 1, 2, and 3. Those are the top 3 positions. As Dreamsy, Flyboy, and Cali trying to break that top 3 to advance in our winner's bracket in the semifinal. There's AK, there's Lehman, there's West. There's still 1, 2, and 3. Cali is 2.1 seconds back in the transfer position. Flyboy 2 seconds behind her. And Dreams is second behind him with number 6 spot. 6.9 seconds separating our top 3 as we continue to chase AK and Lehman 1 and 2. Lehman just making that pass over the dive. Now they're separated by about 30 feet. AK still leading the charge. Lehman trying to reel him in. They're on lap number 2. Still another lap to go. But his top 3 that you need to be. So they got the breathing room. And breathing room as well for West. There's AK on the final lap. Lehman on the final lap. Separated by second. West a second behind them. And now we bring on this battle for third. Fourth between Flyboy and Cali. There's Signboy side, and then Flyboy goes down, moving Cali from 4th back into 3rd. Back into 4th now, as she is about 6 seconds back in the transfer position. A battle for 4th now turning into an army of 1. As we get set to wave and checkered. And it's going to be AK all the way, right? There he is across the line. AK gets it done. 3 laps, a minute 49. Lehman 2.1 seconds. There's a big start. There was contact, no crashes. So we are underway. This one is going to run to its entirety. And so we are chasing Amari. No surprises there. And he is just running another race. There's Dark X just behind him again by about 15 feet. As we move AK and Lehman in a battle for 3rd, 4th. Lehman now just up in the 3rd, AK in 4th. Top 3 go to our final 6 tonight. Bottom 3 into our semifinal of the consolation bracket. Good of the precursor of these ones. As we're 7/10 of a second apart. Amari ahead of Dark X. Then 1.9 seconds back with Free in 3rd. West 9/10 of a second back with him in 4th. Lehman 1.6 seconds behind him in 5th. And AK 6/10 of a second behind him in 6th. 5.9 seconds separating all 6 pilots here after 1. As we continue to chase Amari and Dark X to 1 and 2. Dark X, just like had to take a little bit of a bobble there to scrub a little bit of speed. That now opens the door for Amari a little bit. That 20-foot lead is now a 25-foot lead as Amari and Dark X still 1 and 2 on to lap number 3. Issues for free. That moves West up into third. AK Lehman free. In a four-way battle for that third transfer position as we go over to that dive gate. There's Amari through. There's Dark X through. Still 1 and 2. Does Dark X get by Amari? Amari seems to be able to hold them off again, race after race, lap after lap, and now they're almost on top of each other. Dark X looking to make that move. He's just about to get it there, but Amari gets to the gate. 7/10 of a second back. It is Dark X. Who's in Oz over there? AK pulling up. Lehman having problems getting off the line. He gets up, and that is not good news for the rest of the field. That means Lehman is finding the gear and coming in hot as he'll climb up. Looks like Free getting a little loosey-goosey, and we are chasing Mr. Chows through that tower. Looks like he has a little bit of company. It's West Fire Serpent Flyboy. Free, Lehman now catching up to our field after that little bit of a glitch on the launch. Not the worst right there as we are going full send here on lap number 1. There's issues for Fire Serpent. He was running about third now, dropping to the back of the pack. This is do or die, top 3, going to our finals. There's Mr. Challenge, West, Flyboy, Lehman, 1, 2, 3, 4, Free, running 5th right now. He's about 1.8 seconds away from the transfer position. Currently held with Mr. Challenge, West, and Flyboy 2009, your top 3. After 1 lap, still with another lap and a half to go. Over to that dive gate with Mr. Challenge, West, Flyboy, Lehman had worked his way up to the 4th, and Lehman just crashed out. So that means he may finish up 5th here, which means overall that is going to be about in the number 8 spot of our field of 50 in spec. 1 to go is Mr. Chows, West with Flyboy. Free now, looking to make that move. 1.8 seconds back and moved the wrong way. Breathing room for Flyboy, currently holding onto that transfer position, as well as West and Mr. Chows. Mr. Chows over the dive. West just about making a pass on the dive. We got a battle for the 1 right now. Up at the front, West just about making a pass there. 6 foot back. West just about making a pass there. Now he's 10 foot back. Mr. Chows able to hold him off. Over to 100 to go. There's Mr. Chows. There's West. Both of them to the line. Mr. Chows. West. 1, 2. D0 spec track. We are going green. If Amari wins this one, he's your champion. If anyone else gets it, it goes to extra innings. And let's do it because the cooler is still full. We're chilling racing on the Wednesday at I.O. Pilots. Arm your quads. Pilots, we're live on the tiller in less than 5. Yes, sir. When you hear thunderstruck, you know the champions are about to fly, and we have 6 of the best in the game flying our multi-GP spec. And of course our TQ Ironman Amari with the lead right now. He's low side of the tower, but look, AK, Mr. Chows, Dark X right with them as well. We heard a little bit of a ringer dinger. Now they're all in the sweeper. It's still Amari. Dark X is right on top, more to the dive gate. Dark X almost made the pass. They're separated by about 15 feet. It's Amari. Dark X looks like AK running 3rd here at the moment. Over to the triple gate section. Mr. Chows now trying to make room for 3rd. And now Dark X moving to push for the lead, but Amari holding off. It's lap 1 done. And on to lap 2. Amari, Dark X separated by 7/10 of a second. Mr. Chows, AK, Flyboy, West, 1, 2, 3, 4. There goes AK. He's done in the number 6 spot. Does he get to run again? Amari is the one to decide this right now. Still holding off the field. He has a larger lead, about 30 feet now. Over the dive. And it's Amari, dive, and Dark X through the dive. Then Mr. Chows, then West. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flyboy in the number 5 spot. Now over to the triple gate. Amari still with another lap to go when he comes around. Dark X still down to 30 feet. He is about 15 meters back, and 1 more lap to go. White flag flying. Will Amari be our spec race champion here at the 2024 I.O.? So far, laps 1, 2 are looking pretty good. It's a yes, but this one is not done yet. Over through that sweeper we go. We're full send. Over to the dive. There's Amari through the dive. There's Dark X through the dive. Amari now gapping Dark X a little bit. Get ready with the challenge coins and the champagne. Amari is now in the sweet section. Up high, to our hurdle, down low, to our kitchen.